How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get a bigger Adam's apple for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. Helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So if you're watching this video and you're like, hey, it's impossible to make the Adam's apple bigger. You can't physically change the size of the Adam's apple, but by removing fat and strengthening this area, the neck area where the Adam's apple is, you can make it appear way bigger than it was before. So there's simple exercises you can do. And if you guys notice, you can see mine right here. It is very prominent. It is pretty big, and it's from doing these types of exercises. So all we're going to do, the first exercise, is you're going to lift up. All the exercises that I'm going to show you, they're stretching exercises, and that is what we want to do. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, the next exercise we're going to do is similar to the first exercise, but we're going to open our mouth at the end. So you're going to do something like this. You're going to lift, but then you're going to open. And it just gives you a little extra flex in this area. So you're going to do this. Come back down, stretch. Perfect. Quick little break. The next thing that we're going to do is a chin tuck. So you're basically just going to look down like this. Perfect. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.